What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best see-through ground blinds available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. TideWe See-Through Hunting Blind. The Tide Huntington blind has 3 full see-through panels. These 3 offer a 270-degree unobstructed view of your surroundings. It is also quite large and can fit 2 to 3 hunters, though we recommend sticking to a maximum of 2 hunters. The stars of the show in these hunting blinds are the 3 full see-through panels. These panels have a realistic outer camo pattern that allows the blind to seamlessly blend into the surroundings. And thanks to these panels, you can see all around you without having to move. In terms of dimensions, these blind measures 66 inches in height and has a hub-to-hub dimensions of 75 by 75 inches. The floor space is 58 by 58 inches, which is pretty roomy. We found that it could comfortably hold 2 hunters. Having a third person inside is possible, but it will feel cramped. When you want to shoot, you can easily lower the windows quietly. The blind also comes with a strapped carrying case, which makes it easy to carry. The metal hub and reinforced corners of the blind mean it can withstand harsh weather. This is one of the best see-through hunting blinds on the market. However, it does have some cons. Firstly, the door is a bit small, making it difficult to get in and out. Also, the blind can be difficult to set up the first time. Besides that, it offers excellent value for money, especially considering its price. Number 2. Rhino Blind See-Through Hunting Blind. Rhino blinds are some of the market's most popular see-through deer blinds. So we decided to have a look at the R183 person see-through hunting ground blind. And here is what you can expect from it. Our first impressions of this blind were quite positive, though it isn't the lightest ground blind by any stretch. But this is mainly due to its construction, which features a rod and hub system. The blind comes with a case with a shoulder strap that can be used as a backpack. It also has a large zipperless door, which was much better than that on the Tide. Unlike the TideWe blind, though, this one comes with only 2 see-through panels. However, the 2 panels offer incredible views of your surroundings. It's a 180-degree view, but still very clear, and as you would expect, animals outside cannot see through it. One of the best things about this blind is its camouflage and how quiet it is. The windows can be pulled down using pretty silent sliders. Also, the oversized door does not use a zipper, making it silent as well. The moss oak camo pattern allows it to blend in well, and you can add to it using the brush loops it comes with it. Number 3. Primal Deluxe See-Through Blind. The Primal Treestands Wraith 270 Deluxe Blind is another transparent hunting blind that can be an ideal option for turkey or deer hunting. It is large enough to fit 2 hunters and lightweight for easy carrying. The blind features 3 see-through panels. When inside, you can see outside, but animals outside cannot see you. The 3 panels give you a 270-degree view of everything around you. When it comes to design and construction, the blind has windows that slide silently. It has a floor space of 58 by 58 and a ceiling height of 67 inches. This should be enough to fit at least 2 hunters. It is easy to carry and is also very lightweight. So taking it to the field should be easy enough. The blind comes with high wind tie-downs that should keep it standing even in strong winds. It comes with a carry backpack included as well. The zipper on the door could be better, and we found it to be a bit difficult to set up and take down. But it was mainly due to the need for more clarity of the instructions. Number 4. Your Choice 3-Person Hunting Blind. The Your Choice Hunting Blind can be considered a competitor of Rhino see-through hunting blinds. So how does it compare to the Rhino blinds? Well, for starters, it is cheaper than the Rhino blinds. In terms of size, it is similar to the Rhino blinds, though it is slightly higher at the center, measuring 67 inches. However, this is only a difference of 1 inch. The floor space is 58 by 58, which can comfortably accommodate 2 hunters. It has 3 see-through panels that offer a 270-degree view. These panels each have a window that opens silently, and their opening can be adjusted. The inside of the blind is quite dark, making it easy for you to see prey without being detected, even when the windows are open. This blind is also relatively lightweight and is made of fiberglass rods that support the tent. On the outside, the mesh material is wear-resistant. This means it can withstand various weather conditions, from rain and snow to wind. The fiberglass support poles are unlike the metal poles you find on Rhino blinds, and they may need to be more durable. Number 5. Thunder Bay See-Through Hunting Blind. The Thunder Bay Hidden Threat See-Through Hunting Blind is another that is significantly large. It can comfortably accommodate 3 hunters and comes with 3 see-through panels. And there is more to expect from this hunting blind. This blind is quite large, with a center height of 70 inches and hub-to-hub dimensions of 80 by 80. As for the floor space, it measures 62 by 62 inches. This is enough space to fit 3 to 4 hunters, though it works best as a 3-person blind for comfort. The tent has 3 see-through panels that give you a clear view of everything around you. The exterior of the mesh is made from an XJ camo polyester fabric. This fabric is quite tough and can survive wind and rain. One of the surprising things about this blind is how easy it is to set up and take down. Considering its size, it easily folds and becomes small enough to put in a carrying bag. The carrying bag is included with the blind. Well, the only issue we could point out is the stakes that come with the blind aren't the best. It will be better to buy new ones. But given the price and overall quality of the blind, the added cost isn't such a big deal. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.